Nasi lemak. Is it Malaysia's national dish? I'm not really sure. Lemak cannot buka.
Sejuk.
Can buka. Okay,
Okay.
Is this your national food?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. So nasi lemak is Malaysia's national food. Look at that.
You can try the nasi lemak with ayam.
Oh, why did I
It's
put
5 ringgit. This is
ayam?
3 ringgit. It's okay. You can try this one tomorrow.
Can I
Try the
add?
ayam. I think can.
Can
Just
ah?
ask the
I will
chicken.
tell.
Yeah. Ask them
Wait,
first
I will
now.
ask for ayam.
I don't know how to eat this.
That part is the best. The sambal is quite spicy, but still good. Sedap.